Updating your legal name on Bookmark OS is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Login. Access your Bookmark OS account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on it to access your profile information. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Personal Information or Name Change. Click on this option to proceed with updating your legal name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to finalize your changes. You may receive a confirmation email once the update is processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Bookmark OS should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.